Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make sugar cookies to decorate. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 2 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 cup of unsalted butter, softened. Also, prepare 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Having these ready ensures a smooth baking process from the very start. Softened butter is key for a smooth, creamy base. Now, let's combine our ingredients. In a large bowl, cream the softened butter and granulated sugar together until the mixture is light and fluffy, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Beat in the egg, then stir in the vanilla extract. Gradually add the flour and baking powder, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the dough. Once mixed, wrap the dough in plastic and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. This step is crucial for perfect cookies. With your dough properly chilled, it is time to roll and cut. Lightly flour your work surface and rolling pin to prevent any sticking. Roll the dough to a consistent thickness, ideally about 1/4 inch. This ensures even baking. Use your favorite cookie cutters to create fun shapes. Carefully transfer the cut cookie shapes to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving about 1 inch of space between each cookie. This prevents them from merging during baking. Finally, it is time to bake your delicious creations. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the cookies for 8 to 10 minutes, or until their edges are lightly golden. Baking time can vary slightly depending on your oven and cookie thickness. Once baked, let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes before carefully transferring them to a wire rack. It is essential that the cookies are completely cool before you begin the fun part of decorating them.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.